On today's episode of Fix It Your Motherfucker Self, we got the 1998 Mercury Grand Marquis. Yeah, we gotta fix a few things on them Sons over car. Change these some bitches out. Yeah, show y'all what's going on in a minute. Out y'all. First, we're gonna get this stuff. I've been trying this stuff. My partner Cedric, shout out to him, Cedric Johnson. Been trying this stuff out. You don't need it but a little bit. I mean, been doing pretty good. I usually use old PB Blast, but you only need but a little bit of that for what we get ready to do. So, show y'all what we got going on and why we need that. First, you're gonna jack up the old car. You got one side jack stands. I thought maybe I'd jack up both sides, but look like I can get to what I need to get to with just one side up. So, be back in a minute, show y'all what's going on. Yeah, buddy. Got a bit of an exhaust leak right there. Yeah, as y'all can see. So then we got these motherfuckers soaking. The ones on the other side just as bad. So we gonna get these here bolts off and get these motherfuckers changed out. So we're gonna have to try in a minute. Yep, that's the only place I found where the exhaust leak is. And let me show y'all in a minute what you can do to find an exhaust leak. Give you a little tip here. Be back in a minute, y'all. Here's a way to see if you have an exhaust leak. First, let's get inside here. Open up the old hood. Alright. Might want to move the shit off the hood if you got a bunch of shit on like I do. Move this stuff over here. No link, girl. You pop the hood up. Only reason we're doing popping the hood because we want to get around where the manifolds are. But if you want to find out if you have an exhaust leak and how to do so, get your shop vac, plug it into the exhaust. If you have dual exhaust on dual pipes, you do like that one side and plug up the other side so no air gets out. Then you get the shop vac. You know, there's two sides to shop vac. One, this side is the side where it sucks up, and this is the side that blows out air. See, it vents. So then you turn on little girl, and we'll show you what's going on. Be right back. And for me, we're gonna take this paper towel just to show y'all for demonstration purposes. It's a creep up under the car. Get your old ass down here if you're old like me. Or not old, but maybe not young either. And you see, there we go. So you go through the hole exhaust and just find, if you find it in air, forcing back into the system. Like I said. There it is. So, back in a minute, y'all. In this case, this 1998 Mercury Grand Marquis. These are 14mm bolts. But, yeah, we got the impact. But I don't think I'm going to use it right now. We got a 1/2-inch drive ratchet. And a 14mm wrench. And 14mm impact socket we're going to put on the old ratchet here. And we're going to slowly crack it. Now, if we get it loose, yeah, by all means, we're going to go ahead and use that first. But we want to make sure we don't break these bitches off first. So we'll have y'all in a minute. This wouldn't get the rest of the motherfuckers off, so we should get more drastic measures. So we're going to torch it. Going to burn this bitch up. So what you want to do is turn this on, get it on there on the bolt. Get it, motherfucker, where it's glowing hot. Then you get your water hose, spray it to shock the damn rust, and then immediately start wrenching that bitch off. So, I'll tell you in a minute. Alright, as y'all can see, we got the new brake pads in. We're going to grease old caliper slide pins with some old silicone paste so these motherfuckers won't dry out. Yeah, so we're going to holler at y'all in a minute. Let me explain something to y'all. If you haven't tried this shit, it works. I mean, it works. Look. If you have an older vehicle, you don't feel like going to the exhaust shop getting this shit done. But let me show y'all what it sounds like on the vehicle. I'll try in a minute. In case y'all want to see the packaging that come in, this is what it come in, y'all. But yeah, like I said, man, I highly, and I mean highly recommend this shit. So, we'll have y'all later on. By the way, so I'll tell them it. I mean, this thing is on, but it's quiet as fuck. Cause like I said, this shit works. Let me see if I can get under here and show y'all this shit. But I may not be able to, so I'll tell them it. This is it. Yeah, buddy. I'll show y'all in the earlier video. Leak on both sides. Like I said, put that shit in there. Turn hard as hell. Yeah, so we're gonna have y'all in a minute. Quiet this bitch all the way down. You hear me? All the way. Like I said, I've been busy as fuck working on other folks' shit. It's my son's car, so you know, I had to do it on the back burner. But today I had a moment, I had to take care of this shit because I'm tired of seeing the car on jack stands in my damn driveway. So, we got taken care of this thing. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of skeptical about this shit, but this shit is amazing. Yeah. So, yeah, that shit works, man. Y'all need to try that shit. I ain't sponsored by JB Well, none of that shit, but hell, if they won't sponsor me, I'll show you the shit out of this shit. But, man, we're gonna have to y'all in a minute. Well, until the next time, y'all know what this means. It's been another episode of Fix It Your Motherfucker Self. It's 1998 Mercury Grand Marquis. Till the next time, y'all be careful out there in these streets.